Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Falcon Eyes F7 Mini RGB LED light. Now this comes in at roughly $60 US. I'll include a link in the description. It was sent over by the manufacturer for review purposes, and this is exactly what it sounds like, just a smaller version of a lot of the portable LED lights for video and still photography that I've covered in the past. And you know, in terms of which is right for you, it really ultimately comes down to budget and what you're actually trying to get out of the light that you're using. So first look at it right there. Again, didn't know we had a box on a box. I only find that out once I crack open the first box, right? That is the shape of what I presume the light looks like. Haven't seen it before. They're giving you some specific specs about it, that 2500 to 9000K range, RGB of course, 96 plus CRI rating, and then there is a Bluetooth app to control it. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. 2600 milliamp hour battery, 132 grams. So let's see. Type-C charging, all the things you would really expect. Nothing new. It's really just a matter of its form factor and pricing and whether or not you actually prefer Falcon Eyes as a brand. I feel like they are one of the better manufacturers out there, but there are a lot of good mini LED lights on the market, so a lot of competition. But this one is really small, I can tell you that already. It is magnetic, by the way, as well. Plastic build, it seems, to me. I can already see that it is really small. So if that's what you're after, your readout is right here at the top, I believe. Quarter 20 mount at the bottom. Interesting, no question about it. Power button right here. The dials as well as select for going through the menus, and your Type-C charging port. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if it powers on. And it does. So we're right now at, as you can see clearly, red 360. Go ahead and cycle through that. And you see it just going right now. Cycling through all the way down to 0 and back up to the top of the scale. So pretty cool little light, I have to say. Pretty powerful for its size. I can already tell you that much. I won't be surprised if it also has some effects in terms of functionality, but I'm not positive. I'm going to play with it and see what else is in the box. Hopefully you don't go blind. I'm going blind a little bit. On camera, you guys should all be fine. Got a carrying case. I like that already. Pocket light branding. Carabiner, for those of you that are into that. So they have included a diffuser, which is nice of them. We've got two, honeycomb and traditional. Then we also have our Type-C to Type-A USB cable, and they even gave us a mounting arm. So you got to like that at 60 bucks. And you know, silica gel, who can't live without that? And then there's a back pocket as well. So this is actually a pretty complete solution. I give Falcon Eyes credit for this because I didn't expect to have all of this in the package, but that's pretty cool. Again, really small, really lightweight, and we'll see what battery life is like, because I already see what the color production is like, but that's going to be the other question, is how well does it actually perform? You know, that's where it's going to be at. But I'll test it out, get back to you. Hopefully this is of interest to all of you. I thought it was pretty cool. It's the smallest RGB light that I've seen to date, and it's still very feature rich with that Bluetooth app control and all of the included accessories at that $60 price point. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.